No one likes wet, moldy wood, so today we're making sure our wood is top-notch with the help of our new wood moisture meter. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. You just need to find some wood you want to test. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a 9-volt battery, a travel bag, and inside your bag, your moisture meter. It has a sleek look and feels high quality. On the back of the meter, you have a helpful chart breaking down the different levels and surface types. And then you have a battery compartment. Pop off the tab and plug in your 9-volt battery. And like that, you're ready to power on your device. Then, you could cycle through the surface types. You have drywall, masonry, softwood, and hardwood. Select the one you want and then place it against the wood. And like that, it'll give you a reading. Now you can know if your wood is wet or dry. You also have a button you can press to activate the flashlight. This helps when searching for mold, and just to see in general. Recently, I installed new gutters to keep the loading area of our outdoor chicken run dry. With this, I was able to go out and check my handiwork. As you can see, the ramp to the outside is dry. Then, the outdoor structure itself was out in the rain, and when I use the reader over that, it shows immediately that the wood is wet. This meter allows for non-destructive testing with its pinless sensor. You can check old wood in your house and see the quality. And then of course, burning wet wood pollutes the air. Now you can test your firewood and make sure that you're using the driest and best wood for your fire. There's tons of uses for this meter, and I'm happy to have it and make sure that my wood is dry. So if you have some wood that needs tested, this moisture meter might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go test some more wood and make sure I'm good and dry before my next project. See ya!
Yeah,